Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In last video, we have seen types of operator, that is arithmetic operator and assignment operator. In this video, we are going to see increment and decrement operator, comparison operator and logical operator. Let's start with increment and decrement operator. In this, increment operator is plus plus and decrement operator is minus minus. Let's see with example. Open STS. We are going to create new project Java project, then give name, increment and decrement operator. Click on next, click on finish. You can see here increment and decrement operator project is created. Expand it. Right click on source, new, then create one Java class. Give name, increment and decrement operator. In Pascal case, check the main method. Click on finish. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं the class with increment and decrement operator name is created. Let's see with example that declare one integer variable int a, assign value to it integer 1, use semicolon, then use the increment operator that is a plus plus, give semicolon and print the value of s. System.out.println value of a is after using increment operator. Print a, save the file, run the program, right click, run as Java application. Here you can see value of a after increment is 2. Initial value is 1 after we did a plus plus, then the value is 1. Then another way 1 is plus plus a. We will see the difference after printing. Print the value of a before increment. Save the file and rerun it. Here you can see value of a is before increment is 3. Then again we'll see the next one is minus minus operator, that is decrement operator. On same variable we will perform, that is a minus minus. Give semicolon, print value of a, decrement operator. Save the file and rerun the program. Here you can see the value is 2. Final value of a after using increment operator is 3. Then 3 we use the minus minus, that is decrement operator. Then the value is 2. That is हम जब प्लस प्लस ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं तब इनिशियल वैल्यू में +1 ऐड होता है, और जब हम डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं तब इनिशियल वैल्यू में -1 ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होता है. These are the increment and decrement operators. Then next one is comparison operator. कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर यूज करने के लिए हमें 2 वेरिएबल्स चाहिए और 2 वैल्यूज चाहिए. उसके लिए लेट्स सी विद द एग्जांपल. क्रिएट न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, न्यू जावा प्रोजेक्ट, गिव नेम comparison operator. Click on finish, expand it and create one Java file. Give the same name, comparison operator. आप कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हैं in camel case. Check the main method. You can write after create a class. Finish. First comparison operator is equals to double equals to. We will declare one integer a is equals to 10, comma b is equals to 20. Give semicolon. First double equals to. We will check system.out.println. We will print the result in SOP. Operator is double equals. Or we can say equal to. We will give the symbol of it, then print the result. For that, let's check with directly printing A is equals to B. It will give error, that is we have to store in the string, or we can also store in boolean. Result is equals to A is equals to B. Actually it returns true or false, so we have to declare one boolean. Save and then print the result. Save the file. Run as Java application. You can see here, that is double equal comparison operator double equals to gives the result false. Called double equals to operator checks that the value of A is same as B. But here is, you can see A is 10 and B is 20, so it is false. It gives the result false. Same next operator is not equals to. Same in the result, you will see A symbolism is exclamatory and equals to not equals to B. Give semicolon and then print the result with SOP, or operator is not equals to. Not. Save file. Then another one is greater than. In result, store A is greater than B, semicolon. Again, less than. Result, store A is less than B, give semicolon. Then again, result, store A is greater than equals to B, semicolon. Same for less than equals to. Less than equals to B, give semicolon. A is missing. A. Okay. Save the file. Just print with the help of SOP. I'm just copy and paste the sentence SOP. Save the file and change the operator name. It's less than. Less than equals to operator. Here greater than equals to. Right, its denotation. Then here is less than. Denotation is then greater than. Okay, save the file and rerun it. Here you can see equals to operator result is false because 10 is not equals to 20. Then not equals to result is 2 cause it's true that A and B are not similar. Then third is greater than operator, that is result is false cause 10 is less than 20, not greater than. Then fourth one, less than, it will be written true cause it's true 10 is less than 20. Then the greater than equals to, same false and less than for true. These are the comparison operator. Now the last one is logical operator. This is and, or, and not operator. We are going to check with this if condition. Let's see with the example. Create one file in the same program by right click on source, new, class, name it as logical operator. You can also create the different project for it. Check it main method, finish it. Then it also returns the result in true or false, that is boolean. So initialize integer, or you can also initialize a string where is equals to, give double quotes and write any value hello. Initialize another one where 2 is equals to world. give semicolon, save. First we will see add operator. For that, declare one boolean var result semicolon. For the add operator, the result is equals to var is equals to hello and var 2 is equals to world. Here are the two conditions. Here V is capital, just make it small. You can see here in the AND operator we need the two conditions. We take the first condition as var is equals to 1, means the value of var is hello or not. Then the value of var 2 is world. We'll check if it is both the conditions are true, then it will return true. Just print result with the help of system dot out dot println. Print the result. Just add the plus concatenation operator. Right click on logical operator. Run as Java application. Here you can see the result is true cause the condition is true. That is variable var having value hello and variable 2 having value world. That is both conditions are true. So it return true. If we change the value, that is hello everyone. So you can see here, first condition is true, but second is false. We'll see what it is written. Return it. You can see it written false. Cause AND operator needs both the condition true, then it will execute the code which included in that conditions. Let's see OR operator. I'm just copying this line. OR operator means the operator which checks the two conditions similarly as AND operator. But in that we don't need to both the conditions are true. Means दोनों भी conditions true हो ऐसा mandatory नहीं है. One of them is true, then it will return true. Okay, we just add OR operator over there and we are going to print the result. Here just add OR. Give its denotation. Return it. Here you can see the result true. If the both of them are false, then it will return false. That is hello XYZ. Initial value is hello and world. But the here you can see variable are both different values. Rerun it. Here you can see the result is false. Then not operator. We can use the not operator with a single condition, that is result is equals to var is equals to var 2. We use the equals to operator. Just add not before that and give the brackets. Save it and just print with the help of SOP. We are printing the not operator. That is excellently marked denotation. I'm printing the result. Just rerun it. Here you can see the true. Cause var value, that is hello, and var 2 value is world. Are they equal? Not. It will return true cause we have used not operator, that it will return that opposite value. If the result is true, then it will return false. If the result is false, then it will return true. These are the types of operator in Java. For the next video, do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.